My name is Sandra Easton, and I'm the third-term mayor of the town of Lincoln. I'm very honored and excited about the prospect of opening a brand new West Lincoln Memorial Hospital in 2025. Lincoln, as a community, is not just keeping up. We're planning ahead. And although this isn't a priority for us day to day, what developed was an increasing concern that the traditional logic around provincial contributions and local support was not going to be enough to swing a deal with the province. This is so important because attracting the best healthcare teams requires well-planned and outfitted physical plants. The competition isn't just for dollars to build, but it's also very much about finding and retaining physicians, nurses, generalists, and specialists in all of the allied health professions and diagnostics. When the HHS Juravinski is rebuilt, we will all continue our journey creating and building blue ribbon services between the hospital and Lincoln to service our people. Don't let your opportunity slip away.